So if you have a deck of cards, you can actually build little fort houses, and all you need is a nice steady corner and use a wall. And it'll take some patience and it can fall down, but it's a fun little thing to do, and it's really interesting what you can build with just playing cards. So I recommend to start off, just take 2 cards for stability and just place them on the edge, like that. Now, with one hand take 1 card, and with the other hand take the other card, and you're gonna place it about the card's width away, and gently just put the card on top, rustling it, and then let go. And then you can do this for however many you want. You can build this way. You can also build on top, like over here. You can build on top, you can build more layers. And it doesn't have to be just in that format. You can also build sideways. There's many designs that you can choose. You can also build sideways like this. And so you see that it's on an angle, you can do that. And you can build all sorts of forts and use your imagination. So have fun and be patient with it.